Did you know that when you use Windows, your system quietly keeps track of what you do? It records when you start your computer, which applications you open, how long they run, and even the errors that occur in the background. All of this data is sent back to the cloud for diagnostics, service improvements, and usage analysis. For most people, this process is invisible. We know data is being collected, but rarely see when or how it happens. Atlas OS appeared in response to that question. It isn't a new operating system, and it isn't a hacked version of Windows. It's an open-source configuration layer that applies privacy and performance adjustments on top of the standard Windows installation. The main idea is transparency. Atlas turns hidden settings into visible ones. It disables most telemetry and diagnostic reporting, stops background connections, and turns off system ads and recommendations. The goal isn't to make Windows faster at any cost, but to make it more understandable. Users can see what data leaves their machine, what services can be safely disabled, and which ones should remain active. When it comes to security, Atlas doesn't remove protection. Windows Defender, Smart Screen, automatic updates, user account control, core isolation, and CPU mitigations are all still there. They're just configurable. Each feature includes documentation, so users can decide what fits their environment and understand the trade-offs between performance and safety. Atlas uses something called a playbook. A playbook is a plain text file that lists every change in detail. You can open it, read it, or even modify it yourself. It replaces the opaque process of custom Windows builds with something auditable and open. Atlas doesn't repackage Windows, doesn't change licensing, and doesn't interfere with activation. All adjustments happen within legal and technical boundaries. For privacy researchers and system enthusiasts, Atlas offers a concrete example, an attempt to restore user control within a modern, connected operating system. When we look closer at those background services and automatic updates running without notice, we begin to see how the idea of a personal computer has quietly evolved.